What's going on, traders? Happy Monday to you. This is take two of this because the first one was all glitchy and didn't work and I didn't like it. So let's talk about it, man. Today was a good day. I took a couple of three trades to be exact. They were all winners. And let's go find out how and why. But don't forget, if you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. I usually upload Monday through Thursday. And I think I'm going to start going live every Friday. So we kind of got a 5-day-a-week deal dealing with the market. This is my market recaps, as we well know. So let's go look at it. Let's get to it. Okay. I'm going to share my screen. And we're going to start with the Dow. Okay. Always want to know what's going on with the market. Apologize. I had to reset the computer. Just things was all, man, it was wonky. So I had to get it fixed. Okay. Here we go. Reminders, it's 10:42 West Coast. It means that we still got time. The market is still open, but this is a good looking day. Looks like it's trying to make some traction. Looks like it's trying to keep getting bullish. But the day's not over. I have no idea how this is going to end up. This is the SPY and this is the Dow. They always look the same, but I just like to go over those because I think it's really important that we talk about it. Look at Dow is doing a good job. See if I can move this over. Trying to break through here. So remember, I told you this is the area to beat. We'll see if we can beat it. Okay. All right. Now we're going to talk about the plays that I made today. Okay. What did I trade? And the first trade that we're going to talk about is APOP. APOP. Okay, here is APOP, and here's what I did. This one I had to take on a 5-minute because basically when I was looking at this pre-market, I always drill down to the 5, and the 5 I just thought was so crystal clear. And so my first buy. Now, secondly, I woke up late. Look at this. Woke up late, went to the first buy. I woke up late. Let me go ahead and talk to you face to face. I hate talking over a screen like this. Let me talk to you face to face. I woke up late. I did. I woke up at 6:10. I normally am up by 5:15. Woke up at 6:10 and was like, oh, damn, I ain't got a lot of time. Ran to the living room. I had like 20 minutes to prepare. And so I didn't have enough time to go through the news. So I literally did everything based off price action, which is the whole basis of my system. My whole strategy is dip buying stocks based off of price action that I read from the pre-market chart. This is why it works. Okay, so yeah, I woke up late. So you're going to see that on every one when we show the news. Let's go back to the screen. I woke up late, but I said, okay, first buy is at 469. So what I did is it was early. I knew I wanted to get in, and so I put an order in at 472. I never go more than 3 cents over. Okay, if entry is 69, I'm usually going to go 2 to 3 cents over. So I said, okay, I'm willing to take the test. I'm willing to take the Pepsi challenge at 472. Came down, boom, right in here, picked your boy up, and it started to move on up, right? And came all the way as high. I think this was 537. Now, what did I do? I was nervous. Why was I nervous? Because I had another trade operating at the same time. So my rule of thumb is whenever I'm in 2 trades at the same time, take 5% or better. 5% or better. And now I'm not even thinking 10%. I'm going to just take 5 because if I get out of both of these with 5%, it equates to 10%. Okay. And these stocks move fast. Look what it did. It came in. This all happened within like a 15-minute to 10-minute time frame. Okay. It came in, it ran back up, it came down, and then it showed weakness. Okay. So I'm just happy that I got in, I executed out. And this trade, I think on this trade, I made 4%. Oh yeah, okay, so this one was 6%. Total today, I ended up walking out with just over 15, like 16 or 17%. But we'll just call this one a 5% because I really don't remember the exact numbers. Okay, so that was APOP. The next trade that I was in simultaneously with APOP is ZKIN. Okay, so let's talk about this one. Let's go share the screen. Let me show you what happened. Okay, so I'm getting into this one, and ZKIN. This is on the 15. Oh, no, this is on the 5-minute time frame as well. Okay, I wish I had the 15, but I don't. I'm just gonna let it be. here was the clear cut here, okay, and then this big candle that came into here in same area, this tail here. So I said, okay, 145 is the area that I'm willing to test it. Okay, look, woke up late, went for the first buy. Okay, so I put the order in at 145, and this is what it did. It came in, actually I put the order in 146. So as soon as I realized that I was in both of them, I said, okay, look, I was trying to get 10% of ZKIN. Zekin, let's call it that. I'm just trying to get 10 cents. So literally I got in and I put the limit order immediately at 156. This thing went to 157. That was dumb luck. Okay. But when you look at this, it hit me. So it makes sense, but that was dumb luck. I mean, I really should have just asked for 7 cents because truthfully, if I got in at 146, all I need is 14 cents for 10%. And then I need 7 cents for 5. Okay. So really the order should have been at 52. I put it at 56. Hey man, it even sun this, as they say, the sun even shines on the dog's ass every once in a while, right? So I lucked out in that format, but just understand that I should have been just taking 5%. So that one was a bigger win percentage wise, because I put it in, and I want you to see and know and understand that this is not an exact science. You have to ebb and flow. It's about gut feelings. You do all your homework to understand everything. But it's all going to boil down to like you got to trust what you know and trust your gut. I was in the trades. Both of them end up being 10% plays plus, but the anxiety of being in 2 trades at the same time made me say, hey, I'm just going to I'm cutting this profitable. Because I'd rather walk with $1 than pay 5. You see what I'm saying? So you just got to do what's best for you. So I was like, I was on edge, and so I just took some orders, and I'm just glad that it worked out because it can go the other way. So this is why you got to also be okay with knowing that these are some of the scenarios that you can find yourself in. I hate when I put in plays and they all trigger at the same time, because that's very nerve wracking. So I had to devise a way of dealing with that. My way of dealing with that is just take 5% and get the hell out of Dodge. Okay, anywhere between 3 to 5%. That's when I don't care. I'm happy. Get the hell out of Dodge after that. All right. Last stock we're going to talk about is AMC. This is another one that worked out very well for me. Let me share the screen so you can see what I did and why. Okay, so AMC, basically, this is on a 15 time frame. It will have one place, okay, right here. And it was a beautiful location, and I'm going to tell you why. Because not only was this the biggest, strongest candle pre-market, the MA was there too. So I actually didn't play this at 565. I played it at 560 right off of the MA. Beautiful move. Okay, here it comes. Boom, 560, climbed up over 6. I exited this one at probably about 6 or 7%, which took me to 17. I think I was in a being 17% on the day. I never really remember all of them exact because I got a lot of trades, man. I just know I walked out of the day and I made some doggone money. I know that. But yeah, this is pretty much where that went. That was the particular play. It happened relatively quick. I was done. I was literally done 15 minutes into the market. What happens next? I should say, let me say this different. I was done about 25 minutes into the market. What happens with the rest of the day? I don't care. I'm done. I haven't even looked at a chart since then. I actually made this video twice. I'm mad because I tried to get this stuff up as soon as possible. Okay, but I get my trades done. Worst case scenario, I would have been done at 9. It's 10:51. I don't trade past 9. I'm good. Like I've seen enough to know enough that I'm good. The only thing that I will do if I ever take a trade after 9 will be during that from 11:45 to 1 West Coast, because anything that's moving, and I only take breakouts at that point. Anything that's moving strong, if it's gonna break out during that time frame, it's gonna go, and I'll take a shot on that. Outside of that, man, I'm good. I done moved. I did all kind of stuff this morning. Um, and if my kids was at school, I would have went and played me some golf. Doggone it, but I couldn't because I'm still homeschooling because it's Corona thing. All right, y'all. Anyway, we made it another good day. I'm very happy with the way things have been going. We had a really good week. Last week was exceptional, and we got some continuation. We want to see it keep going. We'll just keep playing and taking time and doing what we do one day at a time. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow with another trade recap. See you later.